In this video, I am about to show you how to play with friends in Minecraft Nintendo Switch from Xbox. Start by signing up for a Microsoft account. First, go to the Microsoft account website. Then click sign in, and after that, select create one next to no account. Now enter your email or create a new Outlook email, set a password, and follow the prompts to complete the account setup. Next, ensure you have the Bedrock edition of Minecraft, as it's the only version that supports crossplay. If you don't have it, download it from the Nintendo eShop for Switch and the Microsoft Store for Xbox. Here, launch Minecraft on both devices and then select sign in on the title screen. After that, log in with your Microsoft account credentials. Now navigate to the Friends tab in Minecraft on either console. Next, select Find Cross-Platform Friends and enter your friend's Microsoft or Xbox gamer tag. After that, send a friend request, and once accepted, your friend will appear on your list. Now to play together, either host or join a game. If you're hosting, start a new world or load an existing one. Then go to the settings menu and make sure multiplayer is turned on. After that, open the in-game menu, select invite to game, choose your friends and send them invitations. If you're joining a game, go to the Friends tab, find your friend's game under Joinable Friends, and then select their game. After that, click Proceed to join. Now you're ready to explore and play Minecraft together across platforms with up to 8 players in one game. Thanks for watching, don't forget to like and subscribe.